there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth Isaac. If you're joining me for the first time, you're welcome. And today I'll be doing a detailed eyebrow tutorial. So here are the products that I'll be using. Okay, this is really all you need for a perfect eyebrow. So I'm gonna start off by brushing my eyebrows. I know I don't have much, but it's important that I still brush it anyways. So up next is my eye pencil. You start by drawing thin strokes, as you can see. Okay, then this way. See that? You don't have to rush this process, especially this part. You want to get it right, so just take your time. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You're going to use the concealer to correct whatever error you might have made. The concealer would do the rest. After using the eye pencil, go in with the brush, and you brush like this, right? You kind of do it upward so that you see the beauty. You see that? Trust me, brushing it has its own way of blending the eye pencil, so it's important. This step is very important. Okay, so you brush out and you do this like so. Hope you can see that. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing for don't worry, you're gonna use the concealer to do anything that you are not sure of. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Sometimes I like to use this brush because this brush is hard and it gives me, I think it works better than my, angled brush. Maybe another angled brush would do, but I think I prefer this brush, so I'm gonna use this one. In the last makeup video that I did, I mentioned that I like to use my my foundation as concealer, because sometimes we don't always have time to blend, but for the sake of this video, I'm using a concealer and I'm going to show you how to properly blend. You do it gently, so here's how I use the concealer. Gently, don't rush, so that you won't spoil the shape that you have already done with the eye pencil. sorry, I'm not comfortable using the camera as my mirror, so that's why I'm using my other mirror, but I'm sure you can see what I'm doing. So what I do is I continuously use the brush to blend while I'm shaping the brows with the concealer, while I'm concealing my brows, as you can see. Alright, so just blend it all in like this. Take it in a little bit, and I would advise try not to add too much concealer onto your brush whilst you're trying to conceal. Just make it, take a little portion, and you can add when you think you need to, but if you just pack it, you might make a mistake, right? So yeah. When I set the two of them like this, I still try to blend to make sure that they are looking the same. That's one of them is not bigger than the other, right? So that's what the concealer does. Try and make sure that they are both the same. Okay. Alright, so we go to the top now. That's the part I don't like, but hey, gotta do what I gotta do. So when doing the top, you have to be more careful. So here's how I go. Okay, let me be a little, guess you can see it now. Maintaining the shape. It's important to do this part first, so you blend it well, right, before using your foundation or powder. That's it. This is the part that can actually mess the whole brows up, so you got to be very careful. So yeah, again, you blend. If possible, you use your blender, your beauty blender, to blend the top. Yeah. So here is, I'm Sorry, I need to correct something. Okay. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something and I hope it is helpful. So all right, so see you in my next video. Bye.